Hello, this is Shivani and Nikhil. We live in Canada and this is what we did on this Sunday. So we went to track for the drifting session because Nikhil is a drifter and drifting is a very famous and legal motorsport in Canada. A lot of people think this is illegal, but this is not, and he's very good at it. It's not just about going sideways, but you have to have a lot of knowledge about cars and technical knowledge of cars. Anyways, we had a lot of fun. The day was sunny and shiny and dry, so it's like a blessing for a drifter. But then his tire was blown off. We had to fix it. Keep watching for part 2 and subscribe for more fun and loving videos. Bye.